Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. You are welcome to Jongelo Entertainment. Here we give you sizzling hot gist of what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. If you are new in our midst, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like, so as to get the latest update on what is popping. We've got hot gist, hot news for you all. Make sure you have a lovely day. Well, congratulations to you, rapper Phyno. Phyno has been elevated to a god status in Igbo land. Ezege Igbo Nile. Well, rapper Phyno is now the face of Egungun in Igbo land. Come on, man. These celebrities, musicians are blowing up fast. They are really making money. I mean, in this era, musicians are trending. Anything celebrities, actors, musicians, those guys are really trending. We have so many good people from Igbo land that were in politics, that were writing books, that were professors. Chinwe Achebe, we have P.N. Okeke. I did physics in secondary school and even in the university. P.N. Okeke's book actually helped me, but he wasn't given a title as a god. Come on, man, what is really happening? Well, congratulations to you, Phyno. We are happy for you. You are now a god in Igbo land. Even the face of the masquerade, I mean, the designer, the masquerade to look like you. Congratulations to you, Phyno. Celebrities are blooming. They are actually trending. And they'll be going around having endorsement and deals. Congratulations to you, celebrities. You guys are really blowing. I mean, you guys are fast forwarding. Well, someone just tweeted recently, she's an actress, Naji Charity. She tweeted, she said endorsement these days is underrated. According to her, she says most celebrities will even go for Mama Put endorsement just for a plate of amala. Well, actress Naji Charity is not really true. Some of them are actually making money. Some of your colleagues are making money by getting endorsement. Come on, not just a plate of amala. They have other endorsements, phones. We have Techno phones, we have Infinix. We have so many stuff that are selling in Nigeria. We have other international endorsement like Pepsi, Coca-Cola and stuff. Come on, man. These guys are really making money. Well, maybe you are just trying to shoot your own shots. Congratulations to the Nigerian hottest crossdresser, Bobrisky. Bobrisky just took a picture, as you can see, posing in front of his or her 3 cars. Wow. And she's also claiming to have a food car. Wow, congratulations to you, Bobrisky. You just came out. You are not an actress. You are not a musician. You just came out to be a crossdresser and you've been hitting hard. You've been making it. You've been giving people money. You've been contributing. I mean, if anybody tattoos you, you give the person 1 million naira, take the person to Dubai, take the person shopping. You've been doing well. You've been doing well. We really hope the government of Nigeria has been imitating you. Wow. You were born a boy, you changed into a girl, but you have this good heart. Yeah, that is basically what you have. Congratulations to you, Bobrisky. Whether you like him or you dislike him, you are right. Just drop your comments below. Let's analyze Bobrisky together. Well, let's move on to Nigeria, to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. President Muhammadu Buhari. Recently, this tweets, government of Nigeria actually tweeted that to support state government in the response against COVID-19, President Muhammadu Buhari in 2020 approved the release of 1 billion naira to each of 34 states and the FCT, 5 billion naira to Kano State, and 10 billion naira to Lagos State. Wow, those in Lagos, I hope you guys are having fun because the government said they released 10 billion naira to you. Well, I don't know who this money got to. I don't know. Well, the money reach you. If you reach you, lift your hands up, I beg, make we know. Yeah, and in other words, the government released 49 billion naira to Nigeria to support states against the COVID-19 pandemic. My brother, my sister, the money reach you. If you reach you, let us know, I beg. Make we congratulate the government for the first time. Yeah, Lagos socialite Roman Goddess, she came up recently and dropped this message. She said, the biggest mistake women make is thinking because a man engaged them, if they have a baby, he will still marry them. Well, according to her, she says, stop having babies for men until they do the needful by signing the dotted lines, except you just want to see finish go enter am, and he might still not marry you with that engagement ring. These present day men are all moving mad. Women need to start using their head. I see reasons with you, Roman Goddess. Women need to start using their head, because there's a word in the dictionary for those kids. If you have kids out of wedlock, you are not married to someone, and you give birth to a child for that person, there's a word, a terrible word for that. Don't forget to look it up in the dictionary, or use Google to check the word having a kid out of wedlock. What is the name of that kid? Make sure you drop your comments and the answers below after doing that Google search. Last week, we heard about a lady whose boyfriend built a house for her, and she now left the boyfriend for someone else. And guess what? The boyfriend came in and demolished the house he built for her. Recently, that very lady went to the debris of her house and took pictures and posted it on the internet. What is really happening? What is this love of a thing? And these days we keep hearing, I love you, I love you, I love you. And the love is not really working. Our parents were not like us. I've never heard my parents or my mom telling my dad, I love you, or vice versa. I mean, come on. But these days you just call again, hello, what's up, I love you. Even before saying hello, the first you tell the girl, I love you. And before you know it, the relationship will be over. But our parents got married for decades. They stayed together, they endured together. We have parents who do not have cars, they didn't have houses, but they lived peacefully together. But now you have a car. You can imagine someone building a house for a girlfriend, not even a wife, building a house for the girlfriend, and the girlfriend cheated on him. He even went as far as demolishing the house. Why not evict the girl and sell the house and make money, or donate the house to charity? The guy made a mistake, the girl also made a mistake. As if that wasn't enough, the girl went there after the house has been demolished to take pictures. Come on, man, what is really happening? What is happening in this world? Thank you very much for watching Jongelo Entertainment. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and the like, so as to get the latest update on what is popping in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. Take care of yourself. Have a lovely day.